Hello fam! Good morning! Maayong adlaw, maayong buntag sa inyo hadira sa tanan, sa Calgary, Pilipinas, and sa tibuok Canada, sa buong Canada. After na to ng Friday night movie namin, and so far so good, super sunny dito sa Calgary. Ayan, di ko pa nabubuksan yung blinds namin fam eh. Pero of course, papakita ko ulit sa inyo yan. And very excited kaming gumising. 8 AM pa lang gumising na si Kuya Davon kasi pupunta kami today ng theme park. This is one of the popular theme park or park dito sa Calgary. In a sense, carnival sa atin. So, ang tawag dito ay Callaway Park. Can we see Lian? Where's the ticket? Hawak-hawak ni Lian yung ticket, oh. Wow! Can you show them? Can you show them the ticket? Ayan. And actually, this is a gift from one of our friends dito sa Calgary, Tita Joy. Thank you so much. Ayan po, gagamitin na namin today ang inyong gift po. And we hope to see you soon. And to Tito din, hello. And hopefully nag-enjoy tayo sa buong summer natin. Hindi man tayo nakapagkita, I think makakapagkita po tayo within fall or probably winter po next. So, we'll see you soon, Tita Joy. And again, thank you for the ticket, Callaway Park. See you later! And fam, so naisip ko lang, siguro since pupunta kami ng theme park and nakita ko tong siopaw ni Mommy. Ayan, so stinim ko na para pwede nating baunin mamaya. So iwan lang natin siya sa car in case na bawal kumain sa loob ng park. I still don't know kung ano yung policies ng park kasi first time namin doon. Pero nonetheless, at least may merienda kaming dala or baon. And for lunch naman ay nagtimpla lang ako ng inasal ala alba. So air fryer lang natin for 20 minutes para medyo ma-defrost siya. And then another 10 minutes to cook the mang inasal ala alba or alba chicken inasal. Ayan. So alright, so see you later fam. Antayin lang natin si Maming dumating. So yung mga kids dito, sobrang gulo ng sala. Hindi ko na napakita pero sobrang gulo with all the toys. And fam, ayan ang finished product ng alba ala inasal. And nandito na rin si Mommy. Good morning, Mommy.
Morning.
Yan, so naka-prep na yan ng Mommy. Magla-lunch muna kami bago kami pumunta ng Callaway Park, fam. Alright.
Hi, fam! And we're on our way na. Ayan, nakapag-prepare na kami ng mabilisan kasi gusto namin makatch ang oras kasi hanggang 5 PM lang ang Callaway ngayon.
Yeah.
So, on the way na kami to Callaway.
Time check, it's 12:42 na. So, more or less, meron lang kami 4 hours to explore the park.
Kasi may ano na sila, parang limited time kasi magpo-fall na. Parang gano'n.
Yeah,
and they only open Saturday, Sunday. Ngayon. Sulitin na namin. Matagal ng plano tong Callaway na to na hindi namin matuloy-tuloy kasi ang daming ganap nga this summer. And also, thank you to Tita Joy and Tito Darren for
Tita Joy and Tito Darren, thank you.
Salamat po.
Yeah, thank you. Parang ang funny kasi nabanggit lang natin kay Tita Joy na may magandang park dito since bago tayo and all. So, ang galing-galing.
Yeah. So, salamat po ulit, Tita Joy. At ito na, ginamit na namin ang pass.
Yeah.
Kasi matatapos na ang opening. Dahil magsasarado na ang Callaway for the summer. Hanggang October 13 na lang sila. So, talagang hinahabol namin.
So, parang fall, winter, sarado talaga sila.
Yeah.
Open na sila next spring. Spring or summer. Ayan, so fam, see you and samahan nyo kami. Madaming rides, tingnan natin kung ano ang meron.
Yeah, kasi first time talaga namin dito.
Yeah, so as much as possible, dadabihan namin ng videos with each ride.
Yeah, so i-check natin kung ano ang nasa loob ng theme park. So, see ya! Callaway Park.
See the sign of Callaway Park.
There you go.
Callaway Park.
And look at the trees, fam, starting to fall.
Oy, fall.
Yeah. Ayan, excited na ang mga kiddos. Malapit na tayo, fam. Parang mga 30 minutes drive lang pala to from
I'm
us.
actually going. I'm actually going.
So
I'm
malapit lang
actually
din
gonna
pala.
drop off so quickly and run.
There you go.
And go to that
You say hi, you say hi.
The park.
And then just
Ayan pa.
Yeah,
we're ready.
we reached the
Siyempre, nagdala
Callaway
tayo ng
parking. Automatic yan,
nagdala tayo ng
automatic.
wagon.
The
Para sa
wagon.
mga bata. Para sa parents na rin kasi ang dami naming bit-bit. Siyempre.
And also pahingahan pag gusto nilang umupo.
Yes, and ayan.
There you go. Hala. Okay. Simple lang. Hindi siya katulad ng mga Universal Studios or mga Disneyland. More or less, ang market naman ito ay Calgarian sa mga taga-Calgary. There you go. Naabutan na namin, fam, yung Halloween theme na. Tinkerbell. Enchanted Time. Squad goals. Ito na yung mga pakulo nila dito, fam. Mga paranormal snacktivity. And Halloween theme na. Sa bagay, October, September pa lang naman. Ang aga naman. Ganda, ganda ng park.
Yes, wow.
Lilian, game na game sa picture.
Yes.
Si Kuya parang nangihina pa. So, mami-mami yan si Kuya. O warm up pa. There you go. Wow, like Safety School of Motoring. Oh, yeah. Kuya, this is like a scooter here. Cars. I think so. Here.
Please come on.
Wow. Okay. So, check natin dito si Kuya. Right? So, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, everyone could.
You have your license? No? That's okay.
You don't
Just
have
for
your
this car.
license.
Just for this car,
Oh
okay?
no.
Oh yeah, just for this car. Don't drive an actual car.
And that's our ride. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Having fun, Kuya? Oh, you need to drive it. Kasi mababangga. Ooh. Yan ang family nandito na. Hi, say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Hey, say hi to the video. Kuya.
Focus na focus siya.
And fam, maximum daw of 0.5 kilometers per hour. So, since ganito lang naman ang view natin, fam, let's do the fast forward magic. Here we go! And you're doing a good job, Kuya. So far, so good. Ayan, tutuloy natin ang ating mabilis na fast forward again. And fam, we're done. And construction. So yan, sobrang natuwa ka ba, Kuya? Ha? You had so much fun? Napag-kuya ko. Ayan. Ayan. Hindi masyadong sulit yung pila nun. Bitin. Bitin siya. Maikli lang eh. Okay, so let's go to our next ride. Okay. Ayan, dream machine yan, fam. So yan yung umiikot kanina na nakita nyo. Nag-usap kami ni Mommy, mamaya kami pumunta dyan. Kasi baka pag sinakyan namin agad, mawala yung mood natin. And dahil sa hilo and all, medyo nahihilo ako pag ganun din. So, mamaya na yung mga rides na ikot-ikot. Oh, hindi pwede si Kuya. Kailangan nandito, Kuya, oh. No exceptions. You need to be here. So, it's okay. Once you reach, I think, 10 years old. Parehas din pala namin, fam, ang mga anak namin. Ayaw din sa ikot-ikot. Ayaw din nila mahilo. Ayan, so hanap kami ng carousel. Ah, yan na pala eh. Okay. So, yan na lang muna. Yung ikot na iba. Yung familiar sila. So, ito ang Callaway Park Map. There you go. So, nandito kami ngayon. Yan. Ganda. Maganda naman siya. Okay, hanap na kami ng horsey. This one, Kuya. Kuya, here. Kuya, the taller one. There.
Of course, nakasakay din ang mommy fan. There you go.
Hold on.
Ayan pa, meron ditong performance.
Ayan, fam, so nakaka 2 rides na kami. And now, parang medyo gutom na si Kuya Devon. And since may dala tayong siopaw, let's eat the siopaw. At may dala pa kaming UFC na ketchup. Yan ang gusto ni Kuya eh. So hanap lang tayo ng washroom and upuan para makapaghugas. Then kainan na. There you go, fam. Oh. Ganda. Medyo against the light. That's cool. There you go.
Sabi mo?
Yeah, one for you.
Okay, sit down.
No, I want chocolate.
Against the light.
Come on.
May ketchup na ba? Ayan, fam, solid si Mami. May dalang UFC ketchup mismo. Paano mo naisip yan, love?
Favorite ko yung ketchup.
Yeah.
UFC.
Yeah, pinatikim ko sa
Baka
kanya.
naman.
One time, fam, kasi na ketchup with the siopaw, nagustuhan talaga ni Kuya. So, fam, there's a 3D cinema. And the schedule is 30 minutes from now. So nag-decide kaming pumunta muna sa roller coaster. at least isang ride pa kami bago yung 3D cinema. So, there you go. Talking roller coaster din, oh. Ganda din. Oh, and they have this cafe pala here.
Oh, yeah. Yan pala sana tayo kumain.
Oh. Sige lang, mamaya. Burger and the hot dog. And the roller coaster. Pirate ship. Ayan. So, kita nyo yung mga sasakyan tamo. Highway na yun. So, there! Ayan. Sayang, Sam. Hindi pa pwede si na David. So next time, try nating lumakis-lakis sila. So good thing may nahanap si Moming mini roller coaster. Ayan, Mini Express. So let's go here. Okay, wala tayong magagawa, fam. Kung hindi, dito lang sila.
Daddy.
Fam, yan yung mga hindi sinasakyan.
Daddy, sakay ka dyan.
No.
Sakay ka dyan.
No. Yan yung mga hindi sinasakyan. At mawawala lahat ng mood mo, ng tinulog mo, ng pinahinga mo, lahat mapupunta dyan sa pag-ikot niyan. Okay. So I've tried that sa Enchanted Kingdom, yun talaga yung that's not a good ride unless you can have fun with it. Pero no, pass. I'll pass. Dito na lang tayo pa. Yan, sa pa-cute na
Mini Express.
mini roller coaster. That's it. Let's go in front! Yan, tabi kami ni Kuya. Let's go, Kuya! Let's do this, mate! Let's do this, mate! Wait up! Woohoo! Ayun na si Mommy! Lian, are you having fun? Whoa! Yan na! Don't yan! Oh! Bilis din, oh! There you go! You do it again! You having fun? One more time! One more, Kuya! That was nice! That was cool? Is that cool, Lian? Okay, very good.